A lot of time when I sit down with people talking about their mortgage options, they always ask me, well, can't I substitute a secured line of credit for my mortgage? They don't really understand what the difference is, and they feel that because they're not in a contract with the secured line of credit, it may be a better vehicle for their financing. And I always tell them, no, don't make that mistake. And here's why. Let me draw a parallel between mortgages, lines of credit, and the cell phone industry, because that's something that everybody seems to understand quite clearly. A mortgage would be like entering into a contract with your cell phone provider. You know that for the next 2 to 3 years you're locked in, the rates stay the same, you get your free handset, everything is very clearly defined. If you go over per minute, there's a set charge, and that's all written in a contract for that time period. That would be a mortgage. Now, a secured line of credit, on the other hand, that's a little bit more like pay-as-you-go. Now, you get the benefit of it, of course, because you pay for what you use, but at the same time, if for whatever reason the cell phone provider decided to up the rates, for instance going from 3 cents a minute to 25 cents a minute, then you are not protected. You're exposed to that type of risk, and if you wanted to use the cell phone, you had to pay for that. And that's what a secured line of credit is really like. There's nothing, you're not protected contractually when you're in a secured line of credit. And a great example of that came out in the media this week. Ellen Roseman of the Toronto Star wrote on September 23rd, TD changing Prime to Prime Plus One on their home lines of credit. So all of a sudden, people who are sitting pretty paying Prime on their secured line of credit have to pay 1 percentage point more. And that can wreak havoc on somebody's budget. So please do not make the mistake of substituting a line of credit for your mortgage. Now, lines of credit are a great tool. They have a very specific purpose, but it's not a substitute for a mortgage. Now, if you found this information useful or you'd like to get in touch with me, you can email me at chris@tridacmortgages.com. That's chris@tridacmortgages.com. Thanks for joining me today. Looking forward to speaking with you next time.